We got
Let's start with the usual flowers.
Ah.
No, it's for no, I'm kidding.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
Of course.
Aww.
Of course.
Oh, cool.
Very cool.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Have a look at your new home.
Oh, cool. I was hoping.
Oh my god! What? Oh my god!
Oh, this is perfect.
Look at the little garland!
Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. I told her to do more like fall-y stuff. Aw, this is perfect.
We're laughing about it because we were staging everything with the designers yesterday. They're like, I'm putting pumpkins and stuff, but it's not Halloween anymore. It's like, oh, close enough. It's fine. It's fine.
No, totally.
This is so cool!
Oh, this is awesome.
Oh my gosh, I like this.
This is awesome.
That's so cool! Oh my
I love
gosh.
the table. Both of these look really, really good. And you guys got to manage to do that, so I appreciate it.
Yeah, I was trying to find one that was exactly the size. I was like, I can't find it, so I found one that was just longer enough, like long enough on the width. And,
no, that'll be cool.
And we put like little legs on it, so it doesn't move around when you're driving.
That'd be perfect.
But like the second lagoon table that you asked us to add,
yeah,
I think it's a great idea because when I was doing the videos and everything, I was testing it. I was like, oh, this is great. This is actually much better. So I think we're gonna add that in all of our models because it's just. I think we're just gonna do that for everybody because it's a much better idea.
Oh yeah, there's a scratcher. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect.
And it's very easy to use it from that seat as well if you want to be 3.
Oh sure,
You can move the front seat. Yeah. So
Hangers.
hangers, Mark Drifter vans.
Really?
Yeah.
You know, I was thinking.
We don't have any nice hangers, so
I was
nice.
thinking I figured we would probably hang stuff in here, but we were already telling you guys about a bunch of stuff. So I was like, and Ashley was kind of like, let's just live in it first and then we can do things. But one of the things I was thinking was like if we wanted to hang anything like for the wedding or whatever, we don't have anywhere to put it. We're just gonna have to like put it on this.
Most people go with like the hanging bar.
Yeah, no, that's perfect.
A few people sometimes want shelves, but
yeah. No,
usually you want to hang stuff. But the good thing with you is that since you're local, you can leave in it for like a little while and then bring it back to us. Like, you know what, I want these drawers, I want a divider. It's much easier for you guys.
Oh yeah, I know, seriously. Oh.
So cool. Did you just look?
No, I didn't. Yeah, let me look. Yeah, oh, this is so cool. You know, I told her, Lauren, she asked me to send her that picture so she could frame it. Aww. And like they even got like the little twinkly lights and stuff up here.
Yeah, I love twinkly.
You have the remote, you can change the mode and everything.
Oh, cool. Oh, that's. Hey, I mean,
this light.
I knew you guys would knock it out of the park, but this is amazing.
I love the color.
Like, I wasn't sure about this color of cabinets when I saw the mood board. It works out perfectly. Like this tan, I don't know how it's called, I forgot, but the tan,
It's called latte.
Seriously?
Yeah. I remember, because I remember when we were looking at colors, she was like, oh, this one's called latte, and I was like, that's my favorite coffee drink, so let's do it.
No, I really like it, and the handles look really nice with the white as well. Yeah, I really like it.
And so I like the cat. Did you see the little cat balls?
Mm-hmm.
So we didn't attach it because we wanted to do it with you. We didn't want to like do something permanent before we talk to you.
I think that's a good idea. We're gonna do our first trips. Without the cats, obviously, to kind of get used to it.
Oh, you're going without the wedding. I'm guessing.
And then, but as we get a chance to kind of get more antiquated with them, we'll probably figure out where it would be.
If you start to be cold, let's warm up the heater and everything. So then, anyway, we'll need to do it during the training.
It's great. We love it.
Yeah. No, all the attention to detail for the staging, but just. I mean, everything in the build is perfect. I couldn't imagine it being better. We've never, like, designed anything, you know, like we haven't like built a house or anything or done too much. We did a little bit of designing with our apartment, but nothing crazy. So in all honesty, I was like, one of the reasons why we wanted to work with Drifter is because they kind of helped you through that process. Mm-hmm. So to see everything come to life is just, I mean, it's perfect. It's awesome.
Yeah, I mean, it's way better than I imagined. I was like, before we got here, I was very nervous about like how it was gonna look once it was staged, because I was just like, you know, like did she actually like get an idea of like my style and everything? Because you can say like, oh, I like these colors and I like this kind of stuff, but you know, it might not.
She might just not get it exactly.
Yeah, it might not just
come to fruition how we wanted it to.
Yeah. And so so I was a little worried, and I was like, oh no, are we gonna have to like pick like new stuff out or something, you know? But like everything is like perfect.